I really wanted some corn chowder, so I decided to make it from scratch. We're going to cut up 3 stalks of celery. Next, we're going to slice and chop a small bell pepper. Next, I'm going to cube some potatoes. I'm going to chop some green onions with my kitchen shears. It's the easiest way to do it. I'm going to slice a sweet onion to go on my sandwich later. I'm going to slice some olives. You can buy them already sliced. I just didn't have any handy at the time. I'm going to slice and cube some tomato just for a garnish for my soup for later. We have our chopped bell peppers, our cubed potatoes, some tomatoes. We have a little bit of garlic, maybe about a teaspoon. We have some chopped green onions and our chopped celery. I'm going to use 1 box of chicken stock. I'm going to use 1 can of whole kernel corn and 1 can of creamed corn. I have a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a pack of sliced bacon. I'm going to use kitchen shears to go ahead and cut my bacon up into little pieces and just cook it while it's already chopped up. I'm going to pepper it, and then we're going to let it cook until it's good and crispy. I'm going to scoop out all of my bacon pieces and let them drain on a paper towel, but I'm going to keep the grease in the pan so that we can make a roux. I added a little bit of margarine to my bacon grease. A roux can be really tricky to make, but don't let it intimidate you. I'm just going to go ahead and dump the flour right on into the pot and have you some milk nearby so that you can make your gravy with it. It's going to cook up really quick, so make sure you whisk it well so it doesn't get lumps. Go ahead and pour in the whole box of chicken stock. Now it's going to look kind of thin once you have that chicken stock poured in there, but the roux base that we made is going to make it thicken up as it heats. And then I'm just going to go ahead and dump everything else in there. I'm going to take a couple of chunks of margarine, you can use butter, and let it sit at room temperature until it's softened. And then I'm going to mix in about a teaspoon of minced garlic and however much Italian seasoning you want. I'm going to tell you, the Italian seasoning is really what makes this sandwich come to life. Now while that's simmering away, we're going to get started on the hot sandwich. I have a nice loaf of French bread that I'm going to cut in half, and then I'm going to slice it down the middle. We're going to spread our margarine and Italian seasoning and garlic mixture onto our bread. Put it under a broiler and toast it up. Not too toasty, but enough that the bottom bun will have some crispiness to it. We're basically making garlic bread. So I'm going to place some thinly sliced ham. This is Black Forest ham. And then I'm going to take some olives and cover up the ham. I love olives on a ham sandwich. Now it's time to add the bacon that we fried up earlier. Now I have some sliced onions, sweet onions. I'm going to put those on there. And now my secret sauce, but you can't tell anybody. Shh. No, it's just Hellmann's mayonnaise made with olive oil. It has to be Hellmann's made with olive oil, and sriracha sauce. And I just always keep it in a squirt bottle and have it handy. Now we're going to cover it with Munster cheese, and we're going to place it under the broiler. It doesn't have to be complicated. The most simple dishes are always the best. And there you have fresh corn chowder and hot ham sandwich.